Assalamu alaikum, students. My name is Sadia Kazmi, and I am your zoology lecturer. Today, the lecture which we will study is phylum Coelenterata. Phylum Coelenterata includes those organisms who have their body cavity which act as intestine. That's why they have got name Coelenterata. Coel means cavity. Enterata comes from the word enteron, which act as intestine, while they have another name which is called as phylum Cnidaria. And again, their in Cnidaria name is actually the cells which are found in their body over their body, which is called as cnidocytes or nematocytes. And cnidocytes and nematocytes are actually act as their defensive stinging cells to protect them against the predators. Plus, it is responsible to kill the prey for their food. Okay. So today we will talk about the general characteristics of phylum Coelenterata. They have got many general characteristics. One of them is it includes about 9,000 species, and also commonly called as coelenterates, as they are found in phylum Coelenterata. So the animals are called as coelenterates, and coelenterates means having hollow enterion, which we have already discussed, that they have a body cavity which act as intestine or the gastrovascular cavity for the digestion of food. Second point is it includes least complex metazoa, means they are multicellular organisms, but they are least complex as they are the lower animals among the kingdom Animalia. And they also have the microscopic animals which are responsible to produce some calcium secretion to build the corals, to build their body in the form of corals. And they form a colony and form a great coral reefs. मतलब ये कि ये ख़ास किस्म के जो है वो एक कैल्शियम बेस्ड सिक्रीशन प्रोड्यूस करते हैं, जो उनकी बॉडी में हार्ड अराउंडिंग में फॉर्म होना शुरू हो जाता है और हार्ड हो जाती है उनकी बॉडी, और वो कलरफुल भी होते हैं। एंड दे देन कॉल्ड एज कॉरल्स, और जब वो सारे कॉलोनी की फॉर्म में बनते हैं तो वो कॉरल रीफ बना देते हैं। थर्ड कैरेक्टर इज दैट दे आर एक्वेटिक, सम ऑफ देम आर मरीन एंड सम ऑफ देम आर फ्रेश वाटर एनिमल्स. Other characters are that they are radially symmetrical, means they have cylindrical body, and when they are cut through their radius, so they give rise to many similar pieces. They are diploblastic, means they have two layer of cells, ectoderm and endoderm. The middle layer is not mesoderm, it is a jelly like mesoglea, so that's why they are called as diploblastic animals. They have again they have another character, similar character, that they have a hollow cavity which is called as gastrovascular cavity, which is responsible for the digestion of food. Cylindron is a rudimentary gut. Rudimentary gut means that though that gut is as not similar to the stomach or intestine. That's why it is called as the rudimentary gut, and it is open through only one opening, which is also called as mouth or anus. Means the food which we take in is the similar opening through which they remove their undigested food material from their body. So the third point is that they are as they develop enteron and develop some network of nerves, it means that the upcoming other phylum can be the evolutionary step towards the formation of the organs and organ system. यानी चूंकि इनमें डेवलपमेंट हो चुकी होती है थोड़ा बहुत इंटेस्टाइन की और नर्व नेट की, तो ये बता रहा होता है, ये एक एवोल्यूशनरी स्टेप है कि इस फाइलम के बाद जो अदर फाइलम होते हैं और उनके बाद के जो फाइलम्स हैं उनमें कुछ ख़ास किस्म के ऑर्गन्स और ऑर्गन सिस्टम बनना शुरू हो जाते हैं. नेक्स्ट कैरेक्टर इज दैट दे डू नॉट हैव, निडेरियंस डू नॉट हैव, और निडेरियंस लैक respiratory, excretory or circulatory system, because they are the aquatic organisms and their whole body is already embedded in water. So they don't need and it's a type of respiratory, respiratory or circulatory system, because water is responsible to circulate oxygen around the whole body. Water is responsible to circulate the food material around the body. Water is responsible to remove metabolic waste material outside their body. Water is responsible to remove the undigested food material from the same opening, which is called as anus because they have a sac like body. Sac like body means only one opening, which act as mouth and anus. Then last general character is that cnidarians are carnivorous, means they paralyze the prey through their cnidocytes. That's why they are called as cnidaria. And when they paralyze the prey, they kill the prey with the help of stinging cells, which is called as cnidocytes. So here our general characteristics completed.